Hi everyone. Today we will study class 11th maths trigonometric function, that is chapter number 3, exercise 3.2. In the last video we had studied question number 1 and 2, in which we had studied how to find the other trigonometric ratios values when one ratio value is given for a particular quadrant. Okay. So now in this question we will find out the value of this kind of trigonometric function. What will be the value of sine 765? If you remember, we had studied this quadrant. Okay, so we are going to apply the same over here also. Now we have so many angles, allied angles over here, but I would suggest you to go for the 360 degree. If it is more greater than the 360 degree, it will be much better for you if you will go with the 360 degree, because it is easy to calculate the value with the 360. Now I'll show you how. Like, as we have the 765, it is greater than 360, so I'll see how it can be written in the form of the multiple of the 360. So I can write it as sine 360. What should multiply to 360 to make it either equal to this or closer to this? I know that 2 times will give you 720, and if it is 720, what should be added to this? 45 to make it equal to 60. So now 720 plus 45 will give you 765. Now this has become. Now sine 360, whatever is written in the multiple, that doesn't make any difference, because if 360 into 2 है तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, आपने 360 के 2 बार राउंड लगाए, आए तो आप उसी पॉइंट पे, then it will not make any difference, क्योंकि आपकी पोजीशन चेंज तो हो ही नहीं रही है. ठीक है. So now 360 plus theta, sine 360 plus theta lies in the first quadrant, so there will be no change in the value. Okay, so it will be remain sine 45, and we know that what is the value of sine 45? That is 1 upon under root 2. Hope this is clear. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 7, cosec minus 1410. So first of all we will see how we can write it. Minus 1410, how it can be written? 360 into 3, 2 times is 70, 3 6 are 8, 1 3 3 is 9, 10, 1080. 360 into 4, 4 0 0, 4 6 are 24, 4 2, 4 3 are 12, 13 14. See, 1440. So I can write it as 360 into 4 minus, it is becoming minus 1440. I have to subtract 30 degree from this. Hope this is clear. ठीक है. So cosec, what 360 minus theta, what it will become? First of all, cosec is an odd function, so cosec minus theta is equal to minus cosec theta. So I can remove the minus sign from here and I can put it over here also. Now cosec 360 minus theta, 360 minus theta lies in which quadrant? In the fourth quadrant. Here in this quadrant, cos and sec are only positive, so 360 minus theta will be what? This is the question, this is the sign of over here when as it is the odd function, so we will keep this sign as it is. Now the value of this cos 360 minus theta will be minus cosec theta, and theta is how much? 30 degree. Now minus minus will become plus. Cosec 30 degree, sin 30 is what? 1 by 2, so cosec 30 is 2. So this is how we will calculate the value. Hope this is clear to everybody. Now moving to this one, when you have the value in this form, what can you do is you can divide these two. 10, 3 6 are 18, so 3 6, what is the remainder? 1 pi. It can be written as 10 6 pi plus pi by 3. Can it be? Yes. Okay. So now what it has become? 10, 360 is written as what? 2 pi. So I can write it as 2 pi into 3 plus pi by 3. It has taken the same form over here, the way we have over here. So now 10, 360 plus theta. I told you to ignore this multiple one because it doesn't make any difference. We are going to take that number of rounds over there. Now 360 plus theta is again lies in the first quadrant. The value will be remain same. So 10 pi by 3. Hope this is clear to everyone. what we have done, tan 6 pi plus pi by 3 what we had, so मैंने इसको क्या करा, 6 pi को लिख दिया 2 pi into 3, ठीक है. So into 3 को we have ignored, तो 2 pi plus pi by 3 it has become 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta lies in the first quadrant, so it has become 10 pi by 3 because there was no change and the value will be positive in the first quadrant. So now 10 pi by 3, that is 1060, is how much? It is under root 3. So this is how we proceed for such questions. Hope you all have understood these questions. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.